Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Remember back in September when Amazon unveiled its brand new lineup of Kindle Scribe e-readers? Well, the wait is finally over, just in time for the holidays. The new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available to buy today. We just got our review samples in, so I'll be putting them through their paces over the next few days. Now, let's talk about the price, because they aren't exactly cheap. The monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light starts at $500 for the 32GB model. If you want that beautiful color screen, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630, which also bumps the storage up to 64GB. Interestingly, this puts it in direct competition with the remarkable Paper Pro. The entry-level Scribe without a front light is still listed as coming soon for $430, expected in early 2026. So, what do you get for that price increase? Whoa, quite a bit actually. The new Scribes feature a larger 11-inch screen, up from 10.2 inches, but they're housed in a similarly sized body. How did they do it? Slimmer bezels. They've also redesigned the display stacks and included a new mini LED lighting system. The new models are also slightly slimmer and lighter, at just 5.4mm thick and 400 grams inside. A new custom MediaTek processor promises a 40% performance boost, making everything feel much snappier. One thing to keep in mind though, is that unlike the Paperwhite, none of these new Scribes are waterproof. Now, you might recall some issues with the smaller Kindle Colorsoft last year. Specifically a faint yellow tinge on the display, especially with the front light on. Amazon did address this, and it seems they've really nailed it this time. The first thing I did when I unboxed the new Scribe Colorsoft was check for that yellowing. I'm happy to report I didn't see any, even with the light cranked all the way up. It looks like the new, more advanced display design has solved that problem for good. I'll have my full in-depth review for you in the coming days, but my first impressions are very positive. It really feels like you're rewriting directly on the page, thanks to the re-engineered display and new textured glass. If you're in the market for a premium e-ink tablet, these new Scribes are definitely worth a look. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the full review. Thanks for watching.